The stream, was that? Seems kind of laggy. I don't know what's going on with my stuff tonight. It seems very laggy. It is laggy. Wow. Wonder what's going on with that. That's weird. Huh. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So this is, as the title says, an audio test. I did one of these earlier when I thought the audio was fine, and it ended up being way louder than I would have liked. As you can see, I now have Blue Snowball on scissor arm with this unfortunate really long cord. But I don't know. I might be able to run it like that. That would be cool, actually. It would look way less janky. Do I have any more of those connector thingies? I'll have to look in a second. Anyway, this is the test of the audio. I'm going to try to remember how close it is to my mouth. It feels a little close. Also, I need to come down a little bit. There we go, yeah. I think before I had it like way down here. That's not going to work. So, yeah. We'll fix the cord situation in a bit. So this is a test of the audio, the video, and the light. I went through the whole spiel earlier. I'll probably go through it again at some point. But yeah, this is a test of the audio of where it's at right now. I can't even guesstimate how far this is from my mouth. let's use the standard. This is gonna sound, doesn't look so. Okay, so it goes to about, it goes almost full length. About to there. So about halfway through the bottle. Okay. Through the top. All right, so the gain is at 0. The noise suppression is at 0.5. There is a fan on right here. Literally right here is a fan. Right there. Because it is super freaking hot. It's like 70 degrees. And it's like 5, almost 6 in the morning. It is ridiculous. Okay, let's get on with an audio test. So this is the test of the audio from here. We're barely going into the red. Barely an inconvenience. So we're gonna do this. Is gonna be really annoying, but let's go ahead and bump this up 1. Okay, this is the Blue Snowball at 1. When I normally play, I will be quieter. I don't have the PS4 controller is charging. I was just trying to make sure that this is going to be at an adequate. There we go. That's much better. There we go. I'm trying to use angle to get it. If I was sitting straight up. Okay, something like that. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Because I need it low enough that it's not obstructing my periphery of the game. This should be good. I can't tell though because I can't play anything right now. I could start up Warcraft, but you know, who wants to see that? No one. Well, no, it's not true. Ian Sequid. Okay, audio at 1. Let's I think we might need to go a little faster this, right? Okay. What's up, Maz? This is the audio at gain 2. Audio at gain 2, sitting right here, talking like we normally would. Talk. Let's move the audio up 1 more. Actually, let's just go to 5. This is the audio at 5. We're now peeking into the red. You are getting rejected. I don't know. Rejected by whom? This is the audio at gain 5. We are hitting into the red pretty regularly. Okay, not so bad now. This is about the cadence I would talk at if I were playing by people. Well, I can't. I don't know. I don't know you. I can't tell you why you're getting rejected. I get rejected because I'm ugly. You were trying to get a girlfriend, but you can't get one. Maybe you come on too strong? Well, thank you very much, sir and or ma'am. Okay, we're going to bump the gain up to 7. Gain is bumped up to 7. Okay, so this is the gain at 7. We are now peaking. Well, not peaking. We're still doing pretty good with the gain. I hope this is working right. Okay, this is the gain at 7. We're going to test it out. Hello, anyone. Welcome back to the stream. This is a test. This is a test. All right, let's bump it up. We're going up by 2. 9. We're going to go up to 9. Do I think it's because you're 5'5"? I mean, it could be. I mean, I'm 5'6" and some inches, like just under 5'7". So there are ladies out there who do like taller guys, but there are also ladies out there who just don't care. It's more about how you carry yourself. Like, you gotta carry yourself like you're 6'2". Like, in the end, confidence is much sexier on someone, male or female, than you're 30. You've been counting. Are you just like asking anybody out? Like, 33rd time. Jeez. Well, I mean, like everyone. Like if you meet a girl, do you ask her out? All right. What was this at 9? I think. Yeah, the gain's at 9. This is at 9. Let's go up to 11. I don't think I'm gonna like this too much. This is the gain at 11 of the audio test. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, there's a saying that I like to say, it's just because someone's your Juliet doesn't mean you're their Romeo. So, like, everyone has their own preferences and whatnot. But it's hard to say. Like, it could... Each of the 33rd... Each of the 33 ladies could have had a different reason for turning you down. So, it might not be one singular reason. All right, this is going to go a little too high. This is going to peak. I know it is, and we'll turn it back down. But this is at 13. We are regularly now. Yeah, we're peaking big time, so we're not going to go here. We're going to bring it back. Let's go back to 8 on the gain. And let's see how this goes. This seems to be okay-ish. We are peaking ever so slightly. So when I go loud like that. But this is the cadence I would talk at if we're playing the game. Or a game, rather. And yeah, I'm thinking maybe lower though, maybe 5. But I went in odd increments. So let's go to 6. Testing, testing, testing. This seems okay, but I'm not sure how loud it's going to come across in actual Twitch chat. But yeah, Maz, there's a lot of factors it could be. It could be age, it could be anything, like eye color, hair color, height, build. I guess we'll look for the clips. We'll see if Maz is still here. I do need to watch this back at some point to see what the volume should be regularly, as camera and lighting is now all set up. So I'm still here, still in the same room. Just got to go find some clippy things that I know I have somewhere. I'm gonna turn on this light. Look how bright. Oh, you can see all my crap. Alright, where are the clippy things? Where did I put them? I used one over there. Oh, here's some. There's two. Let's see if we can get these to work. Oh my goodness. Watch as I do this in real time. Okay, this is like that, and I guess that's okay. Does that look alright? What is? Oh, that's. Oh, I unplugged this. Ignore all that. That's my editing computer. But this, I don't think is going to work. I should just use twist ties, really. Okay. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. These are really flimsy. Yeah, these are really flimsy. These came with the that's why they're flimsy. They came with the desk mount. They're not made for like this. Circumference. Thickness is the word I'm thinking of. Alright. I don't know. What do I want? How can I? Should I just use twist ties? Would that look way too janky? Like I have one here from earlier. Maybe if I tied them on this end. Like I don't want to bend the cord too much. Can you see it there? Maybe our little secret. Or maybe I should go under here. Oh my god, try not to sneeze. Definitely don't want to sneeze. Okay. Alright, I think we have lost Maz. Interesting chat. Which are the best kinds of chats? Interesting ones. Okay, does that look too janky? Does that look... I think it looks okay. On my end, at least. Okay, there's one. Like, I wish I had more of the ones that come with the Rode boom arm are really nice. Really, really nice. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna find some more twist ties. Are these twist ties? These are way too long. I need smaller twist ties. You just have random crap everywhere. Ow. Slack for that, okay. Oh man, with a light on, you can, like, shiny head. Oh my gosh. It's like a beacon. The Mothman will be here soon. It's a Fallout 76 joke. Aren't they funny? Ah. Yeah, let's keep this one down here. Oh no, I want it to be up here, not on the side. There we go. Okay. You can't even see that one. You can see this one, though, sort of. And this is the only one that's visible. Visible. I can't say. Think of words. Visible on camera. All right, let's do our test. Oh, nobody needs to be closer. It needs to be here. There we go. Boom. See, bottle test. Works every time, 80% of the time. All right, so let me turn this stupid light back off. So the blinding sun that is my head. Oh, no. We need the fan on. Holy crap. It's like 1,000 degrees. Okay, so this has been an audio test. And a little bit of some advice giving to our new friend who sadly seems to be no longer with us. Yes, you have any questions, any relationship or life questions, feel free to ask me. I'm always here to give a lending ear and a lending hand if I can. But I'm going to go watch this back. I'll be back soon. As soon as I figure out what the audio is here, I'm coming right back to start streaming something. I haven't streamed in days, legitimately, so yeah. And then I'll tell the story as to why. So until then,